So you open your refrigerator, reach in the back, and you find a half-used tub of miso from that one time that you made miso soup. But then you think, what else could I do with this? How about a salmon dish? I'll show you a quick and easy salmon dish with miso called Miso Butter Salmon, or Salmon Miso Butter Yaki. Either way, it's a delicious dish and I'll show you how to make it. Let's get started. This is a perfect dish that can be made in under 20 minutes, including prep. You can make this in an oven or on a grill with foil, or simply on the stovetop in a frying pan, which I'll show you how to do today. This is also great because it's packed with vegetables. The vegetables we'll be using today are cabbage, mushrooms, bean sprouts, onions, and a carrot. These are the usual suspects in these sort of stir fries. Cut the cabbage into big chunks. It may look like a lot, but they will shrink down. Break apart the shimeji mushrooms. This is how I like to cut carrots to get nice, thin strips. Cut off one side so it's nice and stable. Cut thin slices. Stack them up, and then slice through to make strips just like this. And the bean sprouts. I don't know why I keep dropping them on the cutting board, just to pick them back up. You know what bean sprouts are. And of course, the salmon. Cut it into nice bite-sized pieces. Let's mix together the sauce. Let's use 3 tablespoons of white miso, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon each of mirin and soy sauce, and then a little drizzle of sesame oil, and that will bring out some fragrance. Mix it together until smooth. Then let's cut up some dried red peppers and add it to the sauce. These are optional, they give some nice heat to the dish. Okay, we have everything ready to make miso butter salmon. We have our vegetables prepped, our salmon cut into pieces, our butter, very important, and our sauce. So get a large frying pan hot, and we will add our butter to melt, and just a little vegetable oil. Butter is for the flavor, and the vegetable oil will give it a higher smoke point. Let's let that melt. The way that we'll cook this is that we'll first get a nice sear on the outside of the salmon, take it out, put all the vegetables in, put the salmon back on top, and let that steam covered until all the vegetables are tender and the salmon is cooked through. Okay, the butter is smelling good. Add in your salmon. I think this might be a good time to add just a little seasoning, salt and pepper. And once we get a nice brown color like that, that's perfect. It doesn't need to be cooked all the way through, so don't worry about cooking it all the way through. We just want a little color from the butter. Now that it has a little color, we'll take them out and it'll finish cooking in just a minute. We don't want to overcook it here. Okay, next we'll add the vegetables, starting with the onions, mushrooms, and carrots. Hold off on the cabbage 1 second. Give that a quick toss. And everything's coated. Let's add in the cabbage. And a nice handful of bean sprouts. Give that all a toss. Okay, and right back on top of the vegetables, this will be the steaming part. Add the salmon back in on top. No need to mix it in. It'll steam to finish cooking. So let's cover that. And let's come back in 6 minutes and we'll add our sauce. It's been 6 minutes. Let's see how it looks. Let's add in the sauce. Let's let that cook for another 2 minutes covered and we'll be done. All right, let's take a look and see how we did. Wow, and there we go. Vegetables are cooked through. Smells incredible. The last thing we'll do, just throw in one more pat of butter. All right, looks great. Let's get a large dish and plate. So, much like we cooked it, we will place a bed of vegetables on the bottom and then our salmon on top. To liven this up a little, we'll add little green onions and a few sesame seeds on top. And there it is, our miso butter salmon. Let's give it a taste. It looks great. The vegetables are cooked through. Salmon looks so good, it's glistening. Let's give it a little taste. Those vegetables are packed with flavor. Miso gives it such a nice richness to it. And let's see, and look at that. The salmon just flakes apart. It tastes amazing. The combination of cooking in butter plus steaming with the miso sauce, it just gives it such a rich flavor. I think this might be my new favorite way to cook fish. So there it is, miso butter salmon. It's a quick and easy dish, lots of vegetables. You can put it together really any night of the week. If you give miso butter salmon a try at home, let me know how you like it in the comments below, or tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see what you've come up with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more recipes just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.